This is the terrifying moment. The massive wall of water came crashing onto the shores of Indonesia's most populous islands. The tsunami slamming into this end-of-year celebration without warning, sweeping away everything in sight. The killer wave may have been triggered by this volcanic eruption just after 9:30 in the evening local time on the island of Anak Krakatau, the massive fire exploding from the volcano visible for miles. The underwater landslide happening nearly 124 miles from the capital, Jakarta. Local officials say over 200 are confirmed dead, with more than 800 injured, the number of missing growing and expected to rise as rescue crews sift through the mangled mess left behind. The water crashing 65 feet inland, decimating towns and hotels in the popular tourist area on the Sunda Strait, packed with travelers on vacation for the holidays. The huge tide may have been affected by the full moon, making the wave more devastating. The aftermath horrifying. The tsunami tearing apart hundreds of homes, sweeping away hotels, flooding streets and overturning cars. This morning, the lead vocalist of a popular Indonesian band performing under a tent on that stage speaking out, announcing to fans several of his bandmates were killed in the wave, asking for prayers for the missing, one of them, his own wife. The injured rushed to hospitals in the area, many needing to be tended to right on the streets. Rescue teams rummaged through the rubble in search of survivors.
And their priority is to make sure that if there is anyone at all trapped in the rubble, that they are rescued and brought to safety.
The view from above capturing the utter devastation. Entire towns swept away. Local officials saying Indonesia does not have any tsunami warning system for detecting tsunamis resulting from volcanic activity because these systems rely on detecting earthquakes, this wave likely triggered by an underwater landslide. This latest incident comes just 3 months after a massive earthquake and tsunami hit the city of Palu on the island of Sulawesi, killing at least 832 people.